Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on Milestone B. What is a Milestone B? A milestone marks the start or finish of a defense acquisition phase and has defined entrance and exit criteria. Milestone B is a milestone decision authority-led review at the end of the technology maturation and risk reduction phase in the defense acquisition process. The purpose of the review is to make a recommendation or seek approval to enter the engineering and manufacturing development phase. Milestone B is considered the official start of an acquisition program. Here is a figure that depicts the defense acquisition process in all its phases. Milestone B is highlighted by the red circle. As you can see, the review is situated between the technology maturation and risk reduction phase and the engineering and manufacturing development phase. During a Milestone B review, a potential program must adhere to certain statutory and regulatory requirements to be able to pass the review and proceed into the engineering and manufacturing development phase. A statutory requirement is law passed by Congress that a program must adhere to. A regulatory requirement's a rule issued by a governing body that the program must also adhere to. Most regulatory requirements are listed in the Federal Acquisition Regulations. What are the main Milestone B statutory requirements? A major defense acquisition program may not receive a Milestone B approval until the Milestone Decision Authority, or what we call the MDA, certifies that the program has met its statutory and regulatory requirements. These statutory requirements are: the MDA has received a business case analysis and certifies on the basis of the analysis. The MDA has received the results of the preliminary design review and the program demonstrates a high likelihood of accomplishing its intended mission. The MDA also must certify appropriate market research has been conducted prior to technology development. The DoD has completed an analysis of alternatives with respect to the program. The Joint Requirements Oversight Council has accomplished its duties with respect to the program, including an analysis of the operational requirements. The technology in the program has been demonstrated in a relevant environment on the basis of an independent review and assessment. And the overall program complies with all relevant policies, regulations, and directives of the DoD. There may be additional statutory requirements for a particular program, so it's best to see if there have been any changes in the law. Along with statutory requirements, there are a lot of regulations imposed on defense acquisition programs. The amount of regulations will correspond to the oversight and size of the program. There are too many regulations for me to mention here. The best place to look for all these regulations is the Milestone Requirements Matrix. The matrix provides a detailed breakdown on each of the statutory and regulatory requirements a milestone must meet to be successful. I provide a link at the bottom of this tutorial to the Milestone Requirements Matrix. Always check the matrix for updates and changes to both statutory and regulatory requirements because they do change. Here is a screenshot of the Milestone Requirements Matrix. You can tell it distinguishes between statutory and regulatory requirements and program classification, which is called acquisition category. Basically, the bigger the program is, the more requirements it has. Before a program has its Milestone B review, it should conduct a program support review. The program support review is conducted to provide insight into current and future program execution through detailed analysis using the Defense Acquisition Program Support methodology. The program support review is designed to assist the program manager and systems engineer prepare for Milestone A, B, and C decision reviews. The program support review can be used as a dry run for a milestone review. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Milestone B. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting Act Notes.